Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Paper Polishes. Shikha here. In today's video, I will be showing you some more handmade gifts I made from my series of handmade gifts made on unicorn theme. And to begin with, this is one project which I made, and this is a doodle of unicorn, and I made it on a chart paper. You can cardstock, you can say, not chart paper because chart paper is very thin. This is a cardstock, and I made all the black outlines here which you are seeing because it is going to be a time-lapse video. All the black outlines you are seeing here are made by marker pens and micron pens, and the colors I have used here is watercolors, and I kept the unicorn black and white, and rest all a little bit colorful, and I did golden glitter pen to give it the golden shine on my unicorn doodle art. Another gift which I made was this handmade tray. This is a decoupage tray. It is made up of an MDF tray, and the entire process was very lengthy because decoupage takes a lot of time. So I will be making a short project and upload its video on how to do decoupage on an MDF tray. This is one more gift I made to enhance the effect of handmade gifts. I have done embossing here by using embossing paste, and I used some stencils here, and I tried to give it a vintage look, and for that I have done it a little bit of rusty appeal by dry brushing with some black color, or you can use any dark color for doing the dry brushing on it. So this is another gift which I made, and then I made this vintage looking shabby chic bottle, and it again is having a small unicorn decoupage here and not very heavily decoupaged here. And this is basically, I made a vintage theme bottle, and this a bottle is recycled bottle, and all these flowers are handmade, and I will be uploading videos on how to make such kind of glittery handmade flowers. So this is one shabby chic bottle which I made, and I added some charms inside it, like this small tiny guitar, this vial of full of glitter and some sequins inside it, and I put in some laces and some threads and all this stuff to make it look shabby chic. So this is another thing. One more thing you have to look forward to is this trinket box. This is a small trinket box, 3 by 3 inches size of MDF box again, and the top I have done with the glitter paste. Glitter paste I made myself and applied on it, and the inside I have kept a little bit vintage because I simply prefer that if it is a jewelry box or a trinket box, if it looks a little bit vintage, it gives a very nice appeal to it. And to continue with the rustic and worn out effect, I have done the edges with the black color, and you can see in most of my videos how I do this black color. Here I want to say that you should keep, even if you are only into crafts or something, you should keep on watching my 50 different or basic abstract art techniques, because there you will learn a lot about how to apply the colors differently to achieve different results, and those will be helpful for you in making your art and crafts, because the more techniques you're mixing and matching together, the more interesting your projects become. So if you will follow that series, you will learn a lot about how to apply the color differently, and what kind of effects you can achieve by applying the colors differently. So do keep watching that series also. And this is another, it is, since it was a very small box, I have made a very elaborate video on the entire process, and it is in different parts which will be uploaded soon, and you can see it on your when you will be watching my videos. So here you can learn the entire process of decoupage, how to do decoupage on MDF boxes. And then comes another gift which I made is an explosion box card, and this is a very nice and cute box, and as you can see here, the lid is heavily decorated. I made one unicorn horn over here using a glitter foam sheet, and I have already mentioned that I will be making one video on how to make cones properly, which look like a cone and doesn't become a flat cap kind of stuff. And I simply decorated with some random flowers, like some paper flowers are here, some foam flowers, and some glitter leaves and all. Glitter leaves and all these elements are easily available in the market, and we simply purchase and mix and match and manipulate it to make it look like your project. So this is how my explosion box card looks from outside, and now if I will be opening it, you can see it is a 4-layer card, and I have put in all the layers are of different size here, and there would be one very elaborate video on how to make your own explosion box card. And so I have put in unicorn embellishments in the center, as you can see here, and there would be a video on it, how to make your own embellishments, unicorn embellishments here. And so these are the die cutouts, heart shaped die cutouts, which are put on innermost layer of the card. This is having some small tiny mini pockets here, and all these tags you can hand cut, you can put square tags, you can put any kind of cutouts, you cannot put cutouts, you can simply put photos here also. So this is the first layer of the card, and now comes the second layer of the card. This is the second layer of my card, and here you can put photos because I simply made it shiny. You cannot write much on it, and then these are the flaps where you can do writing, or you can again stick some photos. And then comes this layer. It is having gates, and it opens like this, both sides. So you can see, and here you can write something, here you can put photos, and we will be doing the same thing. We will be putting some photos of symphony, and we will be writing some nice notes of also. So this is the third layer of my deco MDF box card. In terms of last layer, it is having all these triangular pockets, and then it is having this tags, and I put in one white tag because it was very colorful all over, so I decided to put some elements to break down the color, and so I inserted some black, some off-white tags also here. So this is the first final layer, and on the tags I did some ribbon and all the stuff. Entire explosion box tutorial would be uploaded soon, and you can look forward to it. And so all these projects will be upcoming. If you like the artwork and craft work which I am posting, you can subscribe to my channel so that you can did not miss out. Press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming projects, because they all are going to be innovative, creative, and made up of very simple elements which are very easily available online as well as in local stationery or craft or art stores. So you can simply create your artwork. Do follow all my videos because all my videos are informative, and they will enhance your entire understanding of this art and craft, how to create handmade gifts things, and so you will be able to make your own beautiful handmade gifts. So do keep watching, and these are not it. I have created some more gifts on unicorn theme, which I will soon upload the videos on. So do keep watching, and kindly subscribe to my channel so that I keep on making such nice videos and posts to inspire you people to create your own handmade gifts. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for today.